Meet the Roast Mode Refrigerator, designed to keep food cold, but also to keep you humble. With built-in shameware, it delivers ruthless, real-time feedback every time you try to snack.
Oh, fantastic, you again. Midnight, no plate, same shirt from Tuesday. You're not hungry, you're haunting this kitchen.
Choose your voice, drill sergeant, therapist, angry grandma, and set your roast level from gentle nudge to soul crushing.
God damn, girl, you're back again. There ain't no Slim Fast in here. The only exercise you get is walking from the couch to the fridge.
I don't see anything good.
I bet you also don't see your pecker, you walking whale.
Our newest model is designed to shame you into reaching your weight loss goals. Pre-order now.